Well, everyone, you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and use TikTok Shop. Now, using this application is very basic. It's built in right inside of TikTok. So if you go right inside of TikTok, the application, you should be able to go ahead and see basically, TikTok Shop right on the top. So there's the For You page, there's a following page, friends, all this other stuff. But there should be that shop option either at the bottom right here or at the top page. It really just depends. So you can tap on shop at the bottom and you should be able to come into TikTok shop, or depending on again on what type of account you have, it might be at the top. It really just depends. Now, when you go through and see TikTok shop at the bottom, you'll see this type of page basically come up. So this page has a lot of different cool stuff going on inside of it. So you can go through and basically search for a particular, option at the very top. So if there's something that you actually want to search for inside of TikTok shop, you can go through, find it this way. You can just search for it, whether it's a username or whatever the case is. Now, there are a lot of things to buy within TikTok Shop. The first page is basically just going to be this page. There's a bunch of different random items that you can basically buy in. So you can kind of scroll through and see which type of items that you personally want to buy. So like I said, there's a lot of different options here. It's totally up to you, whatever you want to go and purchase. But find the item that you really like. Let's say I really liked this item right here. I can tap on it. Then what I can do is I can basically just kind of go through it and select the item that I want. It's just like any other e-commerce website. I can choose the color I want. I can see through the photos at the very top right up here. I can also share this item out and add it to my cart right there as well. Whenever you're ready and you're done kind of scrolling through everything and seeing all the items that you can see, at the very bottom there are going to be reviews of these items. So go through, scroll through all these different item reviews right here, and you'll be able to find more stuff here. Then at the bottom, you're going to see the add to cart option or a buy now option. So you can kind of go through and choose whichever type of option you want to have here, whether you want to add to cart or you want to buy now. It's totally up to you, whichever way you want to kind of do it. So in this case, this is another example where you can kind of go ahead and modify it, this kind of thing, whichever way you want to. But at this point, that's essentially that. Now, if you want to go back, you can click on the back button here and again, scroll through all the items. There's different categories at the top too. You can click on fashion to see all the fashion kind of items they have. Beauty and personal care, you can see these ones. There are a lot of different options kind of all throughout. So you can kind of go through and find the exact options that you actually like, because there are a lot of different ones you can kind of choose here. So once again, if you like an item, you can go ahead and basically just click on it, add it to cart, and kind of keep going on from there. So that's basically how you use TikTok Shop. It's a very basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.